Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. In this situation, because this is equal to number 0, so we can find only complementary solution. So I will put about yc equals to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. We have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because we do first the derivative of this one, we keep e to the power of lambda s. About lambda s in here, we do first the derivative of this one and we have lambda. And now we can find second derivative of this one. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, we have e to the power of lambda s. We can do about factorization. So we have lambda square minus 9 lambda plus 14 equals to number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. And this one we have lambda equals to number 7 and lambda equals to number 2 after we finding the solution of this equation in here. And now we have the final answer. So we have y equals to c number 1, that is about constant number 1, e to the power of lambda s. Now we change lambda into number 7. And now we have c number 2, that is about the constant number 2, e to the power of 2s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.